Kyle from Nice Guys Garage and Speed Shop. Quick how-to. We're working on a Ford F350. This is a 2003 variety. You're going to see Dale in the background. Don't worry, he's not working on what we're working on. We're going to get the heater core out of this thing. Not really, but we're going to show you how to do it. We're going to leave ours intact because we're actually deconstructing this vehicle to be used for a different project. Go ahead and get inside your Ford F350 and find yourself the glove box. That's where the heater core is. It's not literally in the glove box. We got to take this thing off. To remove the glove box under here, you got one screw, two screw, red screw, blue screw. Now, just two, and they're not red and blue. And then you pull the sides. These little clips come out, and the glove box falls down. Then it'll come out. And here's the nice thing about these heater cores on the Ford. The one thing Ford did right, you just remove that glove box. There's 3 bolts in the bottom there. They are 7mm. And then you just push in these little tabs and the clips come out. And this is your HVAC box. Now, I don't compliment Ford very often. I probably never will again. But what they did right here is they actually put bolts on this box to make this accessible without removing your entire dash. All you have to do, take out that vacuum actuator. That's for the blend door. A couple 7mm bolts on top of there. And then you remove these vacuum hoses underneath. You get everything out of the way. I believe you would have to remove the electrical connectors there as well, just to get them out of the way. Disconnect the hoses from the firewall. And then you would just simply remove the heater core from here. Good idea to have a drip pan or something like that because there's going to be coolant inside of it and you will spill. Then you reinstall your other one. I would think this whole job probably take you about 2 hours. We're going to continue our deconstruction of the dash. We'll show you different angles of this as we go down that road. All right, now that we got the dash out of the way, this is that whole HVAC box. These are your heater core tubes. Go through your firewall.
Yeah, doing was sprinkling.
This is that actuator that I was telling you you'd probably have to take off, just so it doesn't get in the way. And there's that vent box. Your core all disconnected. We'll show you these hoses here in just a bit, but Tim, can you pull that out? It takes a little bit of encouragement up at the firewall. There we go. Much easier to show you that little clip before. There's so little room because this clip here, or this hose, has a little nipple on it and it's got this clip that slides over. That is what holds the hose onto the heater core, and you have to push these in together, and then this piece stays with the heater core so you can pull your hose off.
There are 7 bolts that hold this cover on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you get that last one out, this piece is actually going to slide up and out of the way to get your heater core out. If you just wanted to take this part out and you didn't want to take the whole box out, it is possible. I don't know how easy it would be still in the firewall. However, if you take this guy off, it is 2 more bolts, and then you have to twist it because there's another bolt hiding underneath, that actually 2 bolts that hold it onto the bottom here, and then this little pressure part, probably some sort of the vacuum line there, and it'll make it a little bit easier to get this thing out. So you can just take this heater core out if you don't want to take the whole box out.
That's a heater core on a 2003 Ford F350. Thanks for watching.
Like, subscribe, whatever it is that you want to do. There should be a video
There.
and
there.
I think there's one over there.
That's a better video.
It's actually probably going to be over there. These two, and then right here in the center.
Yeah. Subscribe.
Click on that one to subscribe.
Yep.
Like at the bottom.
That's important.
Thanks, guys.